Hey everyone, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. I have another December Daily 2022 layout to share with you. This is all about New Year's Day. I think I have one other layout after this to share with you, and then I am totally done. This layout came together really fast. The video is only a couple of minutes long. I didn't even speed up the video, so this is in real time. I did the coloring off camera before I recorded the video, just to kind of help speed up the process. I colored in 2023 with a gray alcohol marker, and I added shading as well. So the top part of it goes from darkest to lightest, basically. Now what I'm doing is adding a little subtitle. I'm just going to glue them together using liquid glue. I created that with my Cricut using the draw and cut function. So I used draw to create a little box with a gray pen, and then inside it says 2023, but the words, not the numbers. It's going to be adhered once again with liquid glue over top of the 0 in 20. And then you can see as well that journaling is printed. I typed it out on my computer and then printed it with my Epson printer, and that was put onto the layout base as well. The layout base is white textured cardstock, and then it is matted onto gray cardstock from Close to My Heart. I also used the draw function on that, the gray paper, to add a pattern in gray, so it's tone on tone. And then that's going to be matted to this piece of red cardstock. I'm just making sure I have it going the right way so that when it is put in my album, it's facing the right direction. I did not do that with yesterday's video, and then realized today that I put it on totally the wrong way. So I need to go back and redo it. I'm not going to record that because you've already seen it. But yeah, I had to go change some things, and so I could put it onto the backside of this layout. So with that done, I am going to grab my photos. I printed one photo at 6 by 8 inches and then cut it in half, and it is going to go into a pocket page layout. So the insert, which by the way measures 4.5 inches wide by 8 inches tall, or maybe it's 8 1/4. Anyways, it will go outside of the page protector, but my photos, which were cut in half, will go inside the page protector. Right now, I'm just marking circles. I'm doing it in an archaic way, but it works for me, using a pencil to mark the lines, and then a single hole punch to punch those holes. And when that is done, this layout is pretty well done, other than putting the photos into the page protector, which I'm doing right now. I do have close-ups coming up at the end of the video, so feel free to stick around for those. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you. I will leave the links to all the products that I used today too as well, so you will be able to find them. Thanks for joining me, friends, and I'll be back again soon with more creative inspiration. Bye, guys.